Okay, in this guitar instructional video, we're going to go over this progression. We're in the key of A, based off of pentatonic scales, blues scales. So if you're learning those, this would be a good way to apply those pentatonic scales. First thing we're going to do is we're going to start with an A bar chord, okay? And then we're going to slide with our third finger from the 5th to 7th fret. So if you're familiar with that blues scale, especially the one with the extension, you're going to have no problem with this. So there's a little hesitation. Hear that? So if you play it slow, it's just going to be 5th to 7th fret with your third finger on the 5th string, 5th and 7th fret again on the 4th string, and then 1st and 3rd finger there on the 4th string, 3rd string, 1st finger, use your 1st finger for that 5th fret, but now use your 2nd finger on the 7th fret so you can slide up there, and this way your 1st and 3rd fingers will be in position. So you slide from the 7th to the 9th fret on the 3rd string, 1st and 3rd fingers on the 8th and 10th frets on the 2nd string, 8th fret, 1st string, 10th fret, 2nd string, 8th fret, 1st string again, back to that 2nd string, 10th fret. Eventually, you can play it faster. So let me show you what it looks like. Okay, fingering's all there. A, that's a first position bar chord. The way I was taught, the difference between the two bar chords, types of bar chords, I know there's more than that, but two basic types of bar chords. The first position, you bar all 6 strings. That's why there's a little 1 there. Remember, using all of them in first position. So that's what you do with the slide, starting on the 5th string. In fact, you're going to start on the 5th string for the entire thing. So I'll get back to it. So now you know you have this. Hesitate right there. And you hesitate right where I hesitated. So now we're going to be on the 10th fret. D. Slide from the 10th to the 12th fret. And hesitate. The exact same pattern. Same fingering. Just different frets. 10, 12, 10th to 12th frets on that 5th string. Now you're on the 4th string and you hesitate. 10th fret, 12th fret with your 3rd finger on the 4th string. 1st finger is going to be on that 10th fret, 3rd string, but now you put that 2nd finger on the 12th and slide up from the 12th to the 14th fret. Now we play the 13th, 15th frets on the 2nd string, and then 13th fret on the 1st string, 15th fret on the 2nd string, and repeat that. I'm just playing it twice. And there's so many different things that you can lead from this. Notice how I just went, I'm going backwards. I'm not even playing the extension. I'm taking that pentatonic scale, that blues scale, using hammer-ons and pull-offs. There's a extension right there, but for all intents and purposes, If you're at that level, that's what you can do right now. That's great. That's tremendous progress. Because you're playing chords and lead at the same time. So that's the D. That's what you do with that, what I just showed you. It's the exact same thing as this. Same pattern. If you can play this, you can play this easily. It's just on different frets. That's just... So I suggest you play the A pattern twice. That's why we have these colons here. These colons on the ends of the bar lines means to repeat. Play this, A, play the D. Now you're going to go to the E. See the E? Which is the exact same thing, everybody. Make an E bar chord right there. Slide on the 5th string from the 12th to 14th fret with your 3rd finger. So, always that little hesitation on that 3rd note of the progression. Try that again. 12 to 14. 12 to 14. Now, by the time that you get up here, we're playing 1st and 3rd fingers. Don't forget about that little hesitation right there. On the 3rd string, you got it. From the 14th to the 16th fret with your 2nd finger, that's the extension. Then the 15th and 17th frets on that 2nd string with your 1st and 3rd fingers. 15th fret on the 1st string, 17th fret on the 2nd string, and repeat that. So it's... Go back to the D, to the A. You play the A twice, play the D twice, and then you'll play the A. Now the E, to D, back to the A. It's a great little thing to play. I remember when I was playing for about a year or so, year and a half, when I started playing stuff like that, felt very confident that I could play bar chords and like a lead-like progression. E, D, A. All right, I hope that you enjoyed this video. If you did, please like and subscribe and share it. Please leave me a comment, taking requests. Keep playing and have fun.